Cookies. Biscuits, actually. Dog-shaped biscuits, which might strike you as a bit odd, but I think is cute. And what keeps my tail wagging and my eyes bright. And I can go for hours. In a bowl, add brown rice flour. Bollocks! I'm so clumsy. In a bowl, add brown rice flour. Wheat. Wheat the You get the idea. Anyway, these biscuits, they do not contain wheat. Many of my best friends are allergic to wheat, soy, corn, and all the other cheap filler they stuff dry dog food with, but they are simply too polite to tell their owners. Not me. Anyway, I digress. Mix the chickpea flour, salt, water, olive oil, and magic. You want to add some herbs? They keep you regular, as my mum used to say. I like to use rosemary and thyme. Take a wooden spoon between your maddeningly clumsy little paws and mix well. You now have an adorable little ball of dough. Put it on the parchment paper and roll it out, nice and thin. Cut out your biscuits, cookies, whatever. And frankly, if you have hands, this may be a little easier for you than it is for me. And bake them in a preheated oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. By the way, what is it with you Americans and Fahrenheit? It's not the 1980s anymore. The edges should look golden brown, and the biscuits will be delicious, crunchy, and wholesome AF, which is the way I like them. Subscribe to my channel, and always remember, a treat is a treat. Dogs need proper meals, just like you do, so you shouldn't be giving them snacks and calling it dinner. And we'll get to dinner in the next episode, so stick around.